Hi, my name is Armin Morin, and thank you so much for visiting our website today. Now, I have a question for you. What if I could show you a simple method to start and build a real business on the internet that can absolutely change your financial future forever? Would you want to know about it? Well, I'm sure you would. Now, let me explain to you just a few things. First of all, those of you that don't know me, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been marketing online since 1996, and one of the things you need to know is that during these years, I've actually built a business that has done over $100 million in online sales. And I've done it primarily from working from home. And what I've discovered throughout these years is that I have developed a system so simple that anyone can do it. And right now, I am sharing the system with a select few people. In fact, for the next 3 days, I'm doing a very special webinar where I'm going to reveal to you exactly how you can sit down and build your own business with the help of some simple techniques that I'm going to explain to you in detail. So to get in on this very special presentation, all you need to do is do a few things. First of all, you need to choose the day that is best for you right over here on the side of this page. And then what you need to do is choose the time. We're doing this so many times per day because it's one of our most popular presentations that we've ever done. So choose the right time that's going to work for you. Then simply enter your first name, your primary email address, and then go ahead and click the button on this page to reserve your seat. Like I said, this is going to reveal to you exactly how you can get started, start making the type of income you've always dreamed of, and I'm going to walk you through step by step. So again, you need to choose the day that you want to attend this presentation. Number two, what you want to do is choose the time that is going to be working best for you. And then fill in your first name, your primary email address, and then simply register your seat today. And I'll see you during this presentation. And it's going to be the best thing that you've ever seen, I promise. So go ahead, do it today, and I'll see you on this very special presentation.